Hello there, children. So let us start with a new chapter that is all about time. So this is a calendar, and what is a calendar? A calendar is a tool that is used to mark the passing of time by dividing it into years, months, weeks and days. इन सब के combination से ही हमारा calendar बनता है, right? So let's see who decided a year should have 12 months. किसने decide किया? Let us learn about it. So people across the world follow the Gregorian calendar. अब सब follow करते हैं. So it was started or converted to Gregorian calendar in 1752. Otherwise the whole world was using the calendars, different calendars सब use कर रहे थे, right? In fact people जो agriculture से belong करते थे, they still use the combination of solar and lunar calendar, वो use करते थे. So the 12 months in the calendar as we know them today, किसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया? was first introduced by Julius Caesar in the year 45 BC on 1st January. So why did the calendar change? क्यों change हुआ? The calendar used previously consist of 10 months. तो वो सही से नहीं हो पा रहा था because for account of revolution of the earth around the sun which takes exactly 365.2422 days. राइट सो द 10 months कैलेंडर के होते थे विच स्टार्टेड इन मार्च और एंड होता था दिसंबर में, राइट मगर सो इट हैज़ बीन इन यूज फ्रॉम 753 BC बाय रोमुलस द लेजेंडरी किंग ऑफ रोम, राइट. So the calendar was later modified because it accounted for only 304 days in a year. तो कम थे उसमें. So what happened to the leftover 61 days? वो 61 days कहाँ गए? So the second king of Rome, Numa Pompilius, added 2 more months. उन्होंने end of the calendar में 2 महीने और जोड़े जो कि थे Januarius and Februarius, जिसको missing days complete करने थे. And he also introduced the intercalary month. Intercalarius that occurred after February's in certain years and this was called as leap year. इसको leap year कहा जाता था. So this resulted in a total of 355 days in a common year and 377 days in a leap year, right? So leap year जो था that was considered as the whim of the king. Although was unstable सा था, पूरा complete नहीं था, but it was used till 700 years. But it was again very confusing because season and calendar did not match. And फिर उन किसके साथ प्रॉब्लम थी? फार्मर्स के साथ. So Julius Caesar in the 45 BC under the guidance of his astronomers decided to alter the calendar and make a stable one. उन्होंने decide किया. Finally the seasons had a chance to catch up for 16 centuries, right? So when did we switch to the Gregorian calendar that we use today? अब हमने कब switch किया? The same calendar had been used since till then till 1752 when the Gregorian calendar was adopted. जब तक Gregorian calendar नहीं यूज़ हुआ था तब तक वो यूज़ हो रहा था, right? So the Gregorian calendar fixed the Julian calendar. उसके errors जो थे वो सही कर दिए गए. One revolution of the earth around the sun takes 365.2422 days. तो सही करके उसे फिर यूज़ कर लिया गया. So there you have it. Start किसने किया था? जूलियस सीजर ने, और उसको चेंज करके पोप ग्रेगरी 13 ने फिर उसे न्यू बना दिया and then we use it. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.